New tonight, of course, farmers are always at the mercy of Mother Nature, and last week's storms sent shivers down the spines of orchard owners. Photojournalist Carl Bachtel went to Beckwith Orchards in Kent, where the peach trees took a beating.
Last week, there was storm damage galore throughout our area. Some huge trees were toppled by tornadoes. The high wind snapped some smaller branches, too. These are 30-year-old peach trees at Beckwith Orchards.
So it looks like we have 8 or 10 peach trees that we lost some significant limbs off of, and some of those had not been picked yet, so that was real tough to see.
The peach trees are pruned to keep the trees short and the branches low. Nutrients then go to the growth of fruit, not branches or foliage.
The trees here that we're looking at, most of these are loring. It's an older trees in the orchard, so more at risk than some of our younger peach trees.
The growing season is about 2 weeks ahead on average, and that may have saved the farm's Red Haven peaches. They were picked prior to the storms.
Timing, I guess, could have been much worse than it was.
Now the fruit boxes stand at the ready, awaiting the next crop to ripen. Apples.
Molly's Delicious, Ginger Gold, L-Star, and Premier Honeycrisp in the building, all a little bit ahead of schedule. So
this damage may seem minor, but the effect on a small family grower like Beckwith's can be huge.
This was probably one of our best peach crops in 22 years that I've been back on the farm. And just when I think I've experienced everything, you know, something else tends to come up that I didn't even think about.
In Kent, Carl Bachtel, 3 News.
And the orchard tells us the damaged limbs will be pruned back, and hopefully the trees can be saved. If not, they'll be replaced. Any damaged trees will be replaced with new stock.